So the drawers are going together. They're looking all right, but I'm running out of pocket screws. So I've got to come up with a system where I use less screws to put the drawers together. Front and back, you're going to have 4 drawers each. So that's 8 already. So what I'm thinking is that because these are longer, I'm going to put one there, one there. And these are the sides, by the way. So in the sides, tipping it back and forth. And then I'll put one in the center there, and then one in the center there. So that's now only 6. And it saves me a couple. What do you reckon?